Hello children. Typically we know the value of trigonometric ratios between 0 to 90. 0 we know the value of sine 0, cos 0 and tan 0. In class 10th you already read this. You know the value of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. But you don't know the value of sine 55 and cos 55. So, in this video, we will learn how to compare sine 55 or cos 55. Which one is greater? To determine which is greater, we can use complementary identity. To compare these two ratios, we use complementary identities. We know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. You already read this in class 10, and sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is your previous knowledge. All this I wrote here is your previous knowledge. Now compare sine 55 or cos 55. We can follow the following step. First you write cos 55 degree. Cos 55 you can write like that 90 minus 35, because 90 minus 35 is equal to 55. In place of 55 you can write like that. And by complementary identity, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So this will become sine 35. And now, which one is greater? We have to prove this. So we can say that by comparing sine 55 is greater than sine 35. Easily we can say that 55 is greater than 35, and sine 55 degree greater than, and sine 35 is equal to cos 55 degree. So in this way, in complementary identities, we can prove that we can compare this type of angles. So here sine 55 is greater than cos 55. In this method you can prove. Second one, which is greater, sine 30 or cos 30? Here both angles are same. So how can you say that? You know the value of this also, but in complementary method, how you can say? Again, first take cos 30 degree. Cos 30 you can write like that, cos 30 90 minus 60. 90 minus 60 is 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. And cos, cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. So this will become sine 60 degree. And we know that sine 60 is greater than sine 30. On comparing, sine 60 is greater than sine 30, and sine 60 is equal to cos 30. So right here cos 30 greater than sine 30. So by this method we can prove that cos 30 is greater than sine 30. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.